continuation to the series of video we prepared for the pharmaceutical industries. In previous video we have covered the issues faced in the pharmaceutical sieving process like mesh blinding, mesh tension or the vibration level in the machine. If you have not seen the previous videos, click the I button over here or check the link below in the description. Today in this video we will be discussing about the US FDA audit, contamination issue and the dedusting issue faced in the pharmaceutical industry. As we know, contamination is the biggest concern in the pharma industry, be it human contamination or product cross contamination. As the pharmaceutical ingredients are toxic in nature, hazardous and superfine, they should be conveyed in a closed system so that there is no contamination and there is no human hazard. A PTS system known as powder transfer system or vacuum transmission system is the enclosed system which can be used to safeguard this. When this PTS is coupled with vacuum Sewtech sifter, it avoids human hazard, human contamination and product cross contamination, and this will also take care of dusting issue in the industry. All the solutions offered in the previous video and this video will definitely help you to clear the US FDA audit. However, for US FDA audit, you need a proper documentation related to sieving process. Galaxy Sewtech provides you the DQ, OQ, PQ document set. Along with that, it also provides the certificate for MOC, the certificate for mesh opening, the certificate for roughness value of the surface, the certificate for food grade adhesive and food grade rubber parts, and many more. Friends, I am sure this video series will help you to understand the importance of sieving and filtration process, and that can help you to grab the opportunity available in this pandemic situation for the pharmaceutical industry. If you have any query related to above, please feel free to ask in the comment section below and get an expert advice. Do not forget to subscribe and like our channel. See you soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.